Hello, part 18 of the tutorial extends on what we did before on the tables. We add a color-coded chip, and then some nice action buttons. Each button is linked to its own event and returns the row being processed. From the code side, we load our usual layout for the Vue table. The table is loaded on row 1 column 1 of the parent container. We add some columns to the table, these we saw in tutorial 17. This time around, however, we add a chip column because we want to display a chip. This chip is also passed the color attribute that it will source its color from, using added records. We then add our own custom action button called Mashy. There are also other predefined action buttons, like edit, save, cancel, delete, etc. We also add these. For each of the action buttons, we want to indicate the colors they will use. We do this with set icon dimensions. We add our rows of records for the table. These now have a new attribute called color. We bind the table to the Vue component, so that all our states and methods are bound. As indicated before, each action button will have its own event. These can be obtained via the Generate Members actions. For own custom action buttons, the events need to be manually defined. These receive the table name, an underscore, and then the name of the custom action button. For more details, see the Mashy subroutine. For the other actions, when tapped, these perform the actions coded under them. They receive the row being processed. This concludes part 18 of the tutorial. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to my channel. This will help in you getting updates as soon as they happen. Thank you.